Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by washing and drying fresh red chilies. Use 500 grams red chilies, 2 tablespoons salt, and 100 ml white vinegar to balance heat and preservation. Remove stems and chop into 1 centimeter pieces, then roughly chop 4 garlic cloves and use 1 tablespoon ginger, finely chopped, to add pungency. Measure 1 tablespoon mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and prepare a mortar or food processor for blending. Keep a small bowl of 1 tablespoon lemon juice, ready to adjust acidity after tasting. Heat a heavy pan and pour in 60 ml oil. Heat until shimmering, then add 1 tablespoon mustard seeds and wait until they pop. Sauté the chopped chilies, garlic, and ginger briefly, then transfer to a food processor and grind to a coarse paste. Return paste to the pan. Stir in 1 teaspoon turmeric and 1 teaspoon sugar, then simmer on low for about 10 minutes. Cook paste 10 minutes until oil separates from the solids. Finish by stirring in 1 tablespoon lemon juice for brightness. Allow the chili paste to cool completely to room temperature. Cool completely before transferring to sterilized jars to prevent steam-driven contamination. Spoon the paste into clean jars, press down to remove air bubbles, leaving 1 centimeter headspace at the top, and wipe rims clean. Seal with tight lids and label with the preparation date. Store in refrigerator. Lasts up to 3 months when kept cold. For longer shelf life, add a thin layer of oil on top before sealing and use a clean spoon each time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.